Today's subject is Pharmaceutics 2 and chapter number 4 is solid dosage forms and the subtopic is dispensing of powders. Then in this lecture we have to see the dispensing of powders involving special problem. That is next problem, that is 7th problem is potent drug. Then what is potent drug? The substances having a maximum dose of less than 1 gram, that is 60 mg, and the poisonous substances are regarded as the potent drug. This is the definition of potent drug, means the maximum dose of less than 1 gram or 60 mg and the poisonous substances are regarded as the potent drugs. The potent drugs are in very small quantity which give the desired pharmacological action, and the dose is the substance having the maximum dose less than 1 gram or 60 mg and the poisonous substances regarded as the potent drug. Because the small quantities of potent drugs should not be weighed on dispensing balance because of the sensitivity problem. Therefore, the potent drug is saturated with some diluent. And what is diluent? Diluent are the fillers, or it is called as the inert material, which does not give any pharmacological action, but it add to increase the weight of powder. It is called as the diluent. Some diluent such as lactose in definite proportional to make the weighable quantity for each equal powder. Therefore, you have to add the diluent in the potent substances. Then generally the potent drug reduced to fine powder. First, the powder which are present, that is potent drug, reduced to fine powder, and to this add equal quantity of the diluent is mixed by thoroughly trituration in a mortar. Means saturation is done in mortar, potent drug along with the diluent. Then the rest of diluent is incorporated in successive portions through the trituration each time. Then the rest of the diluent is added by the successive portions through trituration each time. Then next is the whole means complete. The complete diluent should never be added to the drug at one time. Otherwise, the potent drug will not be mixed uniformly and thoroughly with the diluent. Therefore, this reason the whole of the diluent not added in the drug, because otherwise the potent drug will not be mixed uniformly and thoroughly with the diluent, because these potent drugs are present in very small quantity. Then you have to take one example, dispense the following powder. Therefore, RX sodium phosphate 10 mg, make a powder and send 5 powders. And direction, take 1 powder before going to bed. Then in this prescription, the quantity of sodium phosphate is 100 mg, is 10 mg. Sodium phosphate, the quantity is 10 mg. Then make a powder, send 5 powders, and direction, take 1 powder before going to bed. Then in this prescription, the quantity of sodium phosphate prescribed is very small, and it is not possible to weigh it on the dispensing balance, because the minimum weighable quantity on the dispensing balance is 100 mg. And in this prescription, you have to give the sodium phosphate, that is potent drug, the quantity is 10 mg. Therefore, in this prescription, we have to add the suitable diluent. Then we see the method. Finely powder and weigh 100 mg of sodium phosphate, because the minimum weighable quantity on the weighing balance is 100 mg. Then we have to take the sodium phosphate as 100 mg. Finely powdered and weigh 100 mg of sodium phosphate, and we have to add the 900 mg of the lactose, that is diluent. Then mix them in ascending order of their weight on a piece of paper with a powder spatula. Then we have to mix potent drug along with the diluent, that is lactose, in ascending order, their smallest waste to largest weight, on a piece of paper with the powder spatula. Then out of 1 gram, 1000 mg means 1 gram, 1 gram of triturate. Triturate contains the complete potent drug, quantity of potent drug and quantity of the diluent, that is lactose. Weigh 100 mg of each powder. We have to weigh 100 mg because the Minimum payable quantity is 100 mg on dispensing balance. Therefore, out of 1.0 gram of trichurate, weigh 100 mg of the each powder. Then this each powder contains 10 mg of codeine phosphate, which is given in the prescription. The dose is 10 mg. Therefore, each powder contains 10 mg of codeine phosphate and packed in a powder paper. And last, we have to prepare such 5 powders, label and dispense. So in this lecture, we have to see the dispensing of powders involving the special powder, that is the potent drug.